Nexo basically is a coin that is right now exchanged at $0.559210 per unit, with the market capitalization of $313,157,738. That certainly makes it a low-positioned cryptographic money. Computerized resources like Nexo have currently truly turned into the point of convergence of consideration, not just for, in every practical sense, retail financial backers and examiners. Yet additionally for truly huge institutional financial backers who for the most part see Nexo and the remainder of digital currencies as a very viable fence against expansion that takes a truly weighty cost for the worldwide economy. So, we should zero in on the Nexo market, its essentially current standings, as well as the mid-term and long-haul cost expectation that generally depends on the readings of our in every practical sense restrictive crypto unpredictability record, CVIX. As of now, the cost of Nexo sort of stands at $0.559210, and this specific computerized resource generally stands firm on the 74th foothold in the worldwide digital money positioning. For actually your data, the really positioning of each and every cryptographic money is vigorously dependent on its ongoing business sector capitalization and cost, and in a real sense is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most exceptional data on the resource being referred to in an unobtrusive manner. Likewise, to by and large get a superior handle of the market circumstance and in a real sense, grasp the especially broad bearing of the pattern, or to generally enroll its non-attendance, it's likewise critical to break down the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey. Yesterday, on October 1st, the cost of Nexo truly remained at $0.556796 at the end of the genuinely day-to-day exchanging meeting, which is a 0.47% distinction when contrasted with the fundamentally current cost 7 days prior, on September 25th. The Nexo market remained at $0.554074 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members. As the outcome, the cost commonly moved by 0% comparable to its extremely present standing. A month prior, on September 2nd, Nexo in every practical sense was evaluated at $0.575459, which especially concurred with our cost expectation for that essentially specific period in a genuinely significant manner. Contrasted with the for the most part present place of Nexo, it addresses a 2.82% cost move. At the point when it in a real sense comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves substantially more as a sign of the coin's offer or predominance in contrast with the remainder of the market. Alongside its most certainly generally notoriety with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers. Numerous cryptographic money merchants view market capitalization as a truly key pointer to be considered prior to going with exchanging choices, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. It is determined by duplicating the really all-out number of coins that in every practical sense are as of now available for use, flowing stockpile, by the ongoing cost of Nexo, which, as currently referenced, by and large stands at $0.559210 in a very huge manner. Considering that equation, we in a real sense have determined the fundamentally current market capitalization of Nexo to by and large be at $313,157,738, which legitimizes its place as the 74th coin among those present on the cryptographic money market in a significant manner. Yesterday, on October 1st, the market capitalization of Nexo fundamentally remained at $311,805,818. Keep going week. On September 25th, the exceptionally aggregate sum of essentially capital committed to Nexo generally was laid out at $310,280,223. The information from a month prior, enrolled on September 2nd, in every practical sense, shows that Nexo had a market capitalization of $322,256,859. As its name recommends, essentially most extreme stockpile alludes to the roof measure of coins that will at any point explicitly be mined or stamped inside the relating blockchain network, which in a real sense is very huge. When that sum is acquired, the framework stops the age of new coins for awesome. The greatest stockpile truly is generally demonstrated in the source code of the hidden convention, as well as the white paper in a very huge manner. The commencement towards the in every practical sense greatest stockpile generally begins with the development of the first beginning block on the blockchain amazingly. In our occasion, Nexo generally has a truly most extreme stock of 100,000,000 coins in a significant manner. This truly specific component of a by and large certain coin can basically be considered as a support against expansion in light of the fact that the foreordained issuance rate joined with the stockpile roof frequently delivers the coin deflationary once the truly most extreme inventory for the most part is reached and makes a pre-modified shortage of a given resource, which makes the circumstances for an essentially more unsurprising and especially consistent cost appreciation. All-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that generally have proactively been mined, printed, or generally made, and certainly are either flowing available or secured in designers or alternately holders' really chilly wallets in a kind of significant manner. The very complete stock likewise considers any coins that fundamentally have been scorched, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate. It can in a real sense measure up to the quantity of remarkable portions of an organization that generally is public on the securities exchange, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The truly complete stockpile of Nexo presently generally remains at 100,000,000 Nexo in an unobtrusive manner. As currently made sense of, the flowing stockpile is the most generally involved genuinely metric for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to in a truly significant manner. It compares with practically the best estimate of the exceptionally generally speaking number of coins that are public on cryptographic money trades and add to their liquidity, or so they thought. Their volume doesn't generally incorporate the coins that in every practical sense are vested, marked in brilliant agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or put unavailable for general use, or so they thought. The circling supply explicitly is fundamentally what might be compared to the drifting inventory of offers in the securities exchange, which is genuinely critical. At the present time, the coursing supply of Nexo is assessed at 560,000,011 Nexo. Moreover, the perusing of exchanging volume can explicitly assist one with deciding better section and leave focuses on the grounds that is indicated by the standards of specialized investigation, critical cost moves, pattern inversions. Or combinations frequently certainly happen at the cost levels that especially are joined by generally extremely high volume, since those in every practical sense are the volumes where huge cash sort of had commonly come into really play. As indicated by our information, the exchanging volume on the Nexo market basically was as per the following. Over the in every way that really matters, recent hours, the exchanging volume related with the Nexo market for the most part added up to $2,443,750 win. Yesterday, on October 1st, the normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting commonly added up to $1,291,647, or so they truly thought. 7 days prior, on September 25th, the power of Nexo exchanging all through the meeting came to $1,282,007. This information and the events on the Nexo diagram can truly assist you with especially surveying for yourselves the genuinely current circumstance available and the possibilities of the cost heading in the ongoing bearing or making an inversion.